is going on, YouTube fam? It has been a minute, man, like since I've been on here and made an actual video. Like, I'm sorry guys, I just like up and left the reacting thing. I kind of just got too busy with life, and then I quit my job and I started this detailing business. So I really haven't had any time to make videos other than the short clips I do for the shorts. That's the only thing I've been posting on here. So I figured it's time to make a detail video, and we're gonna do it today. It's gonna be an interior detail on our Jeep, which I've been working out of here lately. I gotta get another truck or van. We'll get there when we get there. Not stressing it. But yeah, it's gonna be a basic detail. It's not gonna be nothing crazy. Just gonna use a vacuum, brushes, spray, rags. You know, nothing crazy. We're just gonna do the basics. We're not bringing the steamer out, not the extractor. We're not doing none of that. So just letting you know now. I'm gonna do time lapse, so you don't have to sit here all day and like, oh man, he's really caressing that steering wheel with that brush. That's real nice. Now we're gonna time lapse, so we're just gonna get straight to it and just boom, we're gonna knock it out. I gotta get out of here real quick and start taking stuff out so I can actually detail it. So let's go. All right, we got all the trash and stuff out, so here comes the time lapse cleaning. Enjoy. So this is just a quick interior detail, so I'm wiping all the interior down with the Jack's Wax interior cleaner. Alright, I'm going to clean this nav screen. I'm just going to use a little bit of glass cleaner. I'm going to use it on the screen, plastic, and that chrome trim. And it doesn't damage it. Before anybody says anything, yes, the screen is messed up, but I think someone cleaned it with like some kind of harsh chemical and jacked it all up. But we bought it like this, and it works, so no problem. And the string, I'm about to wipe that thing off, don't worry. Man, it'd be crazy if I could work this fast through every detail. Now that big brush I was just using, that has sped up a lot of the interiors for me, and I'm going to drop some more information about that later in the video. Well, I wasn't too surprised. This was the dirtiest part of the Jeep, but hey, my mini-me rides back here, and he just has a blast when we're riding around. At least I didn't find a bunch of french fries under the seat this time. Alright, a quick vacuum and this thing is knocked out. Honestly, it wasn't even that dirty. The last time I detailed it, I did like a super deep clean on it and got it really perfect. Woo! Got burning up doing that. I was doing it so fast, like, and I'm wearing all black, of course. Like, I'm not the brightest crayon in the box, but hey, I like to sweat, so I wear black on sunny days. But hit y'all with some before and afters. Y'all let me know what you think. I rushed this detail. This was not like my normal timing for an interior detail. I usually spend a good amount of time in the interior because that's what the person's going to see. But it's our vehicle, so if I miss something, I can come back any day of the week, fix it. But hope you guys liked it. There's an outro coming after all these clips. Woo! Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little interior detail. I was just trying to make my first YouTube detailing video. It's probably not the best, but I want to like start researching stuff. I need a better tripod for once, for interior wise. Like I got a big old like 4-foot tripod, trying to minimize it down into here. If you want to drop a comment, tell me what I need to do, work on, like the video if you want to. I don't care. You can subscribe to the channel And I'm just going to get to this question before anybody asks, hey, Kenneth, what was that ball thing you were using, that big old brush? The Curveball by Detail Factory. I picked this thing up at Jack's Wax. And I cannot tell you how much it was because I get a discount. So, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And, yeah, it was fun. Quick little detail. I think it took me like an hour, hour and a half. I don't know. It added more time setting the camera up, moving the camera, doing this and that. But, hey, it was fun. I enjoyed it. It's hot, but I'm going to try to get a better one next time. Maybe I'll do the exterior of this thing. I don't know. It's just real weird doing someone's vehicle at their house because, you know, they're, like, probably watching you out the window. Like, what is he doing with all that video stuff? But who cares? We're going to try to get one of some dope cars. And, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.